Hello guys and welcome back again to my channel. Today's passage is about the brain. So please listen carefully and answer the questions at the end of the passage. The brain. Your brain is inside your head. It helps you think, learn, feel and move. The brain sends messages to the rest of your body. It controls everything you do, even blinking or smiling. Your brain also stores memories and helps you make choices. It never stops working, even when you sleep. To keep your brain strong, eat healthy food, get rest, and solve puzzles or read books. Your brain is soft and needs protection, so your school keeps it safe like a helmet. It is the boss of your body. Questions. First, where is your brain? 2. What does the brain helps you do? Third, how can you keep your brain strong? Fourth, what protects your brain?